Hello everyone, welcome back to the JetPrint channel. Today we are going to talk about something exciting, custom lunch boxes. But before we delve in all the amazing features of this lunch box, let me ask you a question. Have you ever struggled with your lunch getting mixed up in your bag or not having the right tools to enjoy it properly? Well, if you have, stick around. Let's get a result. First of all, this lunch box is made of polypropylene, and the best part is that the non-toxic. This means you can enjoy your meal without worrying about harmful chemicals. Take a look at this. This is not an ordinary lunchbox. It is double layered, so say goodbye to the food getting mixed up. You can neatly separate past salads and desserts. It also comes with a spoon inside. No more struggling to find cutlery in your lunchbox. Check out this bungle design. It opens and closes securely, keeping your food safe. What's more, it comes with a convenient carrying handle, making it perfect for on-the-go use. Lastly, it's important to note that this lunchbox is not safe for microwave use. If you are as excited about this lunchbox as I am, be sure to like, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our latest products.